Hello everybody, Runesmith here. This is a lock mail, tool mail thank you video for Nick's picks. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to actually win these because I've been trying to get a set of these for a long time and I'm always too slow. They get snatched up like that. And these are the Nigbee lever set. So go check out both these channels. Go check out Nick's picks and go check out Nigbee's channel. There's some great content on both of those. They're much better with levers than I am. Nick has also included a few extras for me. So a Squire 660. I've never had one of these before. I've never tried to pick one of these before, so we'll see how that turns out. We also have a lovely mini lever, which is very nice and very cute. And I also mentioned that I recently broke my Chubb Cruiser tensioner, that DIY I made from a key blank. So he included a blank key for me so I can replace it, so I really appreciate that. So thank you very much. Let's see if I can not embarrass myself and pick this 660. So I've heard that these need an awful lot of tension, so hopefully it's acting on the bolt there. And I'll give it a nice amount of tension. Got a little bit of movement from the tensioner there, so that must mean I'm on my way. Oh, that was more there. Just need to rejig my tensioning fingers on that. So this is 4 levers. Oh, and it looks like I've got it there. There we go. So thank you Nick's Picks for the amazing giveaway prize. Thank you for my first ever Squire 660, and I hope everyone enjoyed my first ever attempt at picking one of these. Thanks for watching.